All right, we are in the 94 twin turbo Nissan 300ZX. We are selling this for the owner who has owned it since 1997. It's got 54,723 miles on it. Clean title. Never seen winter, never seen salt. 6-speed manual, of course. 4-wheel steering. This is the height of the 90s Japanese sports car era. So it's really cool to be able to drive this. I've never driven one of these before. I'll give you my impressions of it. Get on it. My first impressions is it's a super sleeper. It absolutely rips. We're in sport mode for the suspension. Gearbox feels fantastic. Clutch is easy and light. Brakes feel good. It's sleeper. Like, you don't hear it, and then you look down at the speedometer, you're like, oh, okay, we're going that. It handles well. I have nothing bad to say about it. This is a very fun car. I get it. Steering is responsive. 4-wheel steer, it's weird, but you can feel it. It just is tighter. When you throw it into touring mode, the suspension lightens up and is way less stiff and just cruise. The seats are very comfortable, very, very comfortable. A lot of adjustments, actually. Interior is a very nice place to be. There's suede all over. This was definitely ahead of its time. Automatic climate control. Of course, the T-tops are removable glass tops. I have a personal car with T-tops, and I think that's the way to go. They're awesome. It's a nice car. Turning radius with the 4-wheel steer is phenomenal for a car this size. It's not a small car by any means, but it can make a very, very tight turn. Yeah, it is a 5-speed transmission, 6th gear. You're cruising, it's not that bad. Gear ratios are pretty decent. Overall, awesome car. Factory Bose audio. There's a subwoofer in the back. This specific one just had an engine out service, full refresh. Very clean car. Yeah, that concludes the driving video. Thank you.